DDR5 RAM prices are getting expensive, and buyers hoped CXMT could help. Instead, its pricing is reportedly right alongside Samsung, SK Hynix, and Micron. CXMT also rejected Apple's price cut, while a Best Buy customer says his 64GB laptop came back missing a 32GB RAM stick. Germany's DDR5 RAM prices just hit nearly 5 times last year's levels. According to 3D Center's August data, the DDR5 price index jumped from 445% to 486%, and almost every kit saw noticeable increases. Higher capacity, 32GB, 48GB, and 64GB kits saw double-digit growth. Even the kits that avoided the recent increases are still at 400% plus compared to July 2025. The data comes from German retailers tracked through Gageos, and the rising RAM costs are also pushing up prices for laptops, smartphones, desktops, mini PCs, and GPUs. For months, buyers expected the Chinese manufacturer to bring down soaring RAM prices. But memory vendors at Computex are telling a different story. CXMT's DDR5 pricing is actually right on par with Samsung, SK Hynix, and Micron. The real advantage appears to be supply, because CXMT isn't heavily focused on AI memory like HBM. They're expanding production, but they're still behind in premium memory technologies and remain focused on mainstream DDR5 products, the kind of RAM regular PC customers are looking for. Apple asked for a lower price. CXMT said no. According to a report from the Korean publication Digital Daily, Chinese memory maker CXMT rejected Apple's request for lower chip prices. Apple is reportedly looking to use CXMT memory in devices sold outside the US, but strong demand from Huawei, Xiaomi, and other Chinese brands has given CXMT more leverage in the negotiations. A Redditor says Best Buy sold him a 64GB Legion 5, then removed 32GB during a warranty repair, saying the system only supports 32GB. The owner says the laptop had been running fine with 64GB for 8 months before the failure, with an Intel Core i9-14900, HX RTX, 5070, and 2TB SSD. Best Buy reportedly returned the laptop with the old 32GB stick, which may have been defective, instead of replacing it. Best Buy apparently wasn't willing to pay for a replacement RAM stick. Maybe RAM is expensive nowadays. So DDR5 RAM prices are still high, and CXMT isn't bringing the price relief many expected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.